Another go. On the street. Get your ass over here, Juju. Now. Get your ass in here now. Come on. What the rooster doing? What the chicken doing? What's that kung fu? Where you fucking going, boy? You just gonna run off and do your thing in the rain? I don't think so. Get your ass in there, his house. Soon as the lightning strikes, you're gonna be crying like a big dog, cause you're a baby. When it comes to lightning. When it comes to lightning, you will cry, baby. Cry like a baby. Cry like a baby. You cry like a baby. You can't come out till you put all them. Oh, never mind. Good job. You can come out. You did a hella good job. Thank you for helping me with the kids. I was stressing and I was like, man, I got two dams here. Get on out. I got two dams to help me. No, Juju, you can't get in there. Oh, Belly, cut him off quick. He tried to jump in there. Belly's like, nope, get back now. Move, Belly. You don't have to protect him. That's my job. Cry like a baby. Who the hell? You better drug that in with your shoe. What the hell is going on here?